We had made this trip south many times before, and because of where we live in Canada, on the north shore of Lake Ontario, it has become one of our favorite drive-to vacation spots in North America. Provincetown, Massachusetts, United States.
Left on Commercial Street.
When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow.
Provincetown is a small coastal resort town with a year-round population of just under 3,000. Provincetown has a summer population as high as 60,000. Often called P-Town, the town is known for its beaches, harbor, artists, tourist industry, and its status as a vacation destination for the LGBTQ community. On November 9, 1620, the Pilgrims aboard the Mayflower sighted Cape Cod while en route to the colony of Virginia. They agreed to settle and build a self-governing community and came ashore in the West End.
I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. Colors flashing like paint splashing. It might be hard to believe, but that's what I feel. It's almost unreal. Each and every time we kiss, and I'll keep getting lost just to give you something to find. 'Cause first there was nothing, and then there was something. How can I better describe that? When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah.
Following the American Revolution, Provincetown grew rapidly as a fishing and whaling center. By the early decades of the 20th century, the town had acquired an international reputation for its artistic and literary productions. Provincetown is perhaps the best-known gay summer resort on the East Coast.
When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. Yeah. Say yes I do. Oh yes I do. Yeah. 'Cause I'm inside a rainbow. I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. 'Cause I'm inside a rainbow.
Hi, I'm Kevin,
And I'm Sean.
and we're here in beautiful Provincetown, Massachusetts. We're just here for the day. We've been here about 6 times before, I think. We're just standing in front of the most commercial part of Commercial Street. There you can see some of the buildings where a lot of shops and restaurants are located, and it's kind of a pedestrian concourse as well.
And so this is I guess the first week of July. It's Bear Week here, so we didn't plan that. Anyways, we're gonna head out to the breakwater. The break wall in a few minutes. It should take us about 45 minutes to walk that, then maybe walk on some dunes, and then head back to Commercial Street. And I think that's our day.
And I'll be flying my drone also at the break wall. I've already called the FAA and give them a heads up, so should be good to go. This is the Provincetown Inn. This is where we stayed the last time we were here. One of the oldest places here in Provincetown.
Suddenly you look like a stranger, a face I knew but I must forgotten. Emotional flicker, you were my everything. We know we could have done it better. Fought for the little things that we wanted. I know it was a good together. Still you had to let go. Oh, I wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. Oh, you shut me down, shut me down. Oh, I wish that you hadn't pulled the trigger. Shut me down with my bitter heart. My blood is getting thicker. You shut me down.
This is the break wall behind me. It's a quarter-mile long. Heads out to the dunes and the Atlantic Ocean there on the other side. Can be dangerous a bit at times, especially if a king wave comes along. Just a few weeks ago, a bunch of people had to be rescued because of that.
I did this by myself years ago. Right?
Hey, I tell you what to do. Hey, need to pay your dues. Oh, don't be wasting any precious time now. Gotta shake it off.
The tide is out at the moment here in the bay, which is why in the background you can see some people taking their boat out, but they're walking out to where the water's a bit deeper. Also, behind me, you'll see another shot of the Provincetown Inn, again, one of the oldest inns here in Provincetown on the eastern seaboard.
You better walk, walk, walk straight. You better walk, walk, walk straight. Hey, keep your head held high.
Oy.
So I think we're just gonna head out to, I think it's called Race Point. So this is at the very edge of the Cape here. So I don't know which trail we should take. This trail, but there's another trail over here that's...
A sandy one.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Sure, sandy one.
Giving them attention. Up to you. Why don't you walk now? You better walk, walk, walk straight.
Ouch. God, ow. God.
You better walk, walk, walk straight.
Oh, maybe this was not a good idea. Holy crap. We're actually just right near the beach, the Atlantic Ocean here, and oh yeah, these are called the dunes for obvious reasons. We're about to have that aha moment. You know, the one where you've been trudging through the dunes for like a half an hour, much longer than you thought you'd be. And then all of a sudden, it opens up into the Atlantic Ocean. Oh my gosh.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Oh, yes, we're on the beach. Okay, let's go back.
At this moment, it's time to tell where we should go, but how can I be sure? Can we change it? The truth about our common soul, to say we know it's real, something to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotions, pretending land was our home. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Hi, it's Kevin here. If you enjoyed today's episode, please click the like button. And by subscribing and turning notifications on, you'll help us create new content. Thanks for watching, and remember, experiences, not things.